Homework, I love to do my works in this area, like cooking, watching, studying on the floor instead of following Western rules. I go upstairs to bring some stuff for packaging. Whenever I look upstairs or come to this room, I have no words to explain my feelings. Acha. I remember in Ramadan, whenever any off day from college, I insist to sleep or do other work, we would go upstairs and do some work of paper making because machines were not to work properly. So usually used our own hands, mesh the paper to save it for future use. But condensed milk and save it for future. Do add it in cakes.
To see the truth and
Afraid mit Parathas, dar naam ni Allah se or darhamin kirmukum. Like I couldn't control myself whenever any form of party in front of me, someone fear of their in-laws, someone fear of her mother, someone fear of his brother. Allah is created as Allah is providing us. Allah is all hearing and seeing. Allah knows best. Stop fearing from people. They have nothing what they can do.
तो जो माल तुमसे छिन गया है उससे बेहतर तुम्हें इनायत फरमाएगा और तुम्हारे गुनाह भी मुआफ कर देगा और अल्लाह बख्शने वाला है, मेहरबान है।